my name is Eva Dedula. I'm a professor of economics at the University of Notre Dame in the United States. And we just spent a few days at Ecoruta Tortuga in Veraguas with the support of the wonderful team at APTSO and Elisa. I brought 14 students with me to Panama for 3 weeks. Part of it we spent in Panama City, but part of it we wanted to come to the interior and experience a little bit more of a sustainable tourism from both environmental perspective, but also community sustainability and the local communities. So this was a wonderful experience. We spent 4 days here interacting with the foundation that helps with turtle conservation. The students helped prepare hatcheries. We helped with the local communities, painted some houses. We picked up trash. We helped with the maintenance of the mangrove trail. But while we were volunteering and working, we also learned a ton from the stakeholders here. We learned from them. We learned about the local culture. We learned about the ecosystems and what they're actually doing. The mangroves were fantastic. Students got to take a trip on kayaks. We got to take hikes in the forest and go swim in waterfalls. So it was a wonderful balance of engaging with the local community, helping, but also learning and really soaking in the experience in Panama. Our course is focused on sustainability, but also on migration from Central America and in this region. And Panama is really a crucial transit country that's being affected by migrants coming through, and it's affecting some of the local communities. So we want to get a better perspective on how that actually is on the ground by talking to people who are directly living it and willing and lovely to share their experiences with us. So I hope to bring another round of students back next year because this has been wonderful. Everybody's been welcoming and super helpful. Everything went, without a glitch. So we've really enjoyed the experience. We're super happy.